Hi guys, Meta just announced new ad option for Facebook Reels, and this new update is going to be skyrocketing your earnings as a creator on Facebook, right? So in this video, I'm going to be taking you guys to the other side of the screen where I'll be reading this new update with you guys, and also I'm going to be sharing how you're going to be making more money with this new update. But firstly, before we start, you're welcome to Growbetanet. On this channel, we teach people how to grow their social media platform, and also how to make money online. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one you're watching at the moment. And before I go to the other side of the screen, I would like you to hit the like button and comment on this video. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Maxi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to reply your comment. So see you guys on the other side of the screen. So guys, you're welcome to this side. So here they said Meta unveils new ad option for Facebook Reels for the upcoming holiday, right? So I'm going to be taking it down right here. It said, as the holiday shopping rush looms, Meta has unveiled new feature for each Reels ad, aiming to empower brands to better utilize this rapidly growing content platform. So number one feature is collection ads on Facebook Reels. So after testing on both Instagram and Facebook since last year, Meta has now expanded collection ads for Facebook Reels. Although not all brands will have immense access, a broader rollout is anticipated soon. Notably, TikTok has a similar feature, positioning Meta in alignment with prevailing short-form video ad trend. So number two feature is multi-destination Reels carousel ad. Meta is experimenting with this feature, allowing brands to direct viewers to various product pages corresponding to each image in ad display. This feature mirrors carousel ad functionals on Instagram. So the next feature is swipe left functionality, right? Added to both Facebook and Instagram Reel ads, this allows viewers to easily navigate and delve deeper into the products showcased in the ads. While this may necessitate some user behavior modification, it offers brands a seamless way to provide more information. So guys, this update is actually amazing. This will help advertisers to easily make sales from the ad, right? And the more sales they are going to be making, the more money they are going to be spending, because once you are making out money, you are going to be spending to make extra money as well. So I would like to see you guys on the other side of the screen so I can actually shed more light on how you as a creator is going to be making more money from this. Okay guys, as a creator, this is how you're going to be making more money with this new update, right? This new update is going to be allowing advertisers to make more sales, and the more sales advertisers make, the more money they're going to be spending on ads. So the more advertisers spend more money on ads, you as a creator, it gives you more opportunity to earn more money, because Facebook is paying you from the money advertisers are spending on ads, right? Because they are running ads on your videos. So as a creator, I will advise you to make more Reels, because Reels is now making more money. Two of my students just shared screenshots of their earnings on September, and this blew my mind. One of them earned $20,000, and while the other one earned $12,000. As a Nigerian, $20,000 right now is 20 million naira, and $12,000 is 12 million naira at the time of making this video. So if you're making up to $20,000 from ads on Rail alone, you are actually a big boy. Before now, I never really believed on ads on Rail, right? I was only focusing on in-stream. Most people that chatted me up before now, I used to advise them to make longer videos so that they will be able to make more money on in-stream. Though in-stream pays a lot of money, but the way Reels is going now, I believe that Reels is also paying huge amount of money, and that's why I will advise you to start making more Reels, in as much as you're making longer video for in-stream ad. And also, if you want to make money on Facebook and you don't know how to go about it, or you don't know how to create a video, I created a course that will help you to earn money from other people's video. This course I titled it "How to Make Money with Other People's Video." In this course, I have two sections where you can actually show your face while editing this content, and also have another section where you don't need to show your face at all. Because most people used to come to me and be like, I don't like showing my face on social media. That's the reason why I created two sections in this course. So this course is going for $20. If you're interested and you want to buy this particular course, you just need to chat me up with the WhatsApp number showing on the screen, or the WhatsApp number in the description. So if you want to join the gang that are making real money on Facebook, all you need to do is just to chat me up on WhatsApp. So as a creator, please, I urge you guys to start start making more reels. In as much as you're making longer video, make more reels, so this is where I'll be ending this particular video. So if you're new on this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this one you're watching at the moment. And also, if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to share this video so that other people will watch and learn from it. And don't forget to like, comment on this video. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to reply to your comments. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. I really appreciate the love that you guys show me. I don't take it for granted. Thank you and remain blessed.